Hi everyone, my name is Daniela Lucidi and I'm an art instructor for Able Arts Work, and today I will be demonstrating how to do this cool acrylic pour. So you're going to gently stir, kind of a side to side motion. I might actually add a little more glue to make the color a bit lighter, but it's up to you guys. Alright you guys, now as you can tell, I have my station all set up and ready to go here. I have our cardboard canvas, an old container lid I found just laying around the house just to keep the extra paint from spilling onto my floors or desk. You know, better to be safe than sorry. And then I have our 3 different paint, Mod-Plodge, and water mixtures all lined up right here. And then I have this container, which we're going to use to actually layer the different colors into and then eventually pour onto our canvas. Alright, now usually you can do more layers if you want, but since this is a smaller piece we're painting, I'm just going to do 3 different layers and see how that turns out because I don't want to use too much paint. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for a second, let the paint slowly come off from the bottom of the container. So I'm gonna just move the paint around on my own by holding the piece, and this is where the latex gloves come in handy. Don't have them, that's okay. Now see, this lid does come in handy because it has all those pretty leftover paints just waiting. Now you can actually reuse this for another project if you want. I'll just keep it here for now, and I'm gonna go put this guy to dry. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and it's brought to you by Able Arts Work Virtual Learning Channel. My name is Daniela and I hope you have a great rest of your day.